Welcome to Cloudby. In this lessons, we will walk through the process of receiving customer order until receiving customer payments. Let's start from the point where you received customer purchase order. Navigate to Sales Order. Here you shall see a list of your existing orders. You can sort and search for your orders. Create new sales order. Select your customer. We go with Drip Campus. Person in charge, Sweetie Pie. Order number, this is your document number. Leave blank for automatic assignment. Select date, today. Select project, if this order is under a project. Set location, if this order is being processed on different branch. Okay, this is where we enter the customer order items. We already have some products being set up. Starting with selecting the product code. Say we take Pico table. The description and price are automatically loaded up. Set the quantity accordingly. And you are done for the first item. Continue entry for the remaining items. We recommend using keyboard to speed things up. Tabs and arrow are your friends here. Finally, select sales term. Immediate. Write in instructions if special care is needed. Instructions are visible to customers and downstream processes. You can also write in some internal notes for internal uses. Attach customer purchase order as a reference. Double-check, and click Create. Alright. You have your order created. It is currently in draft mode. Head to top right corner to confirm this order. Yes to confirm. Sales order is the main document that keeps track of requirement, invoices, deliveries, and payments. Go to the Processing tab. In here, you can create invoices, or delivery order. Two ways you create your invoices in. Either create invoice strictly by item quantity, or create invoice by any arbitrary amount. For a full payment, let's go with by amount. The total order amount is $1,452. We will create an invoice that amounts to total amount. Raise invoice. Confirm. And we follow to the newly created invoice. OK. You are now in newly raised invoice. All the information is copied over from order. Just one thing you need to do. Select your receiving account. Double check. Update. And change the status to confirm. Yes. Now, at this point, your invoice is ready and posted into your account receivables. Your job is to download the PDF version of the invoice and send it to your customer. A payment progress bar here will update when you receive payment from the customer. Why not we take a quick break and head to our dashboard. You can see your order under the Sales Order tab. Your invoice due. Your debtor list. And your recent sales performance. So, a few days have passed, and you received your customer check. Let's load up the corresponding invoice directly from the dashboard. And this is the corresponding invoice. Click on Receiving Payment. Confirm. Now, you are in Receipt Voucher. This system automatically selected the customer and loaded up a list of pending invoices. Click on the tick box to knock off the payment against the corresponding invoice, or enter the amount if the customer was not paying in full. Select the payment account that you will deposit the check to. Enter the check number at the payment details. Leave the payment status as pending if the payment has not been recognized by the bank. Finally, update. Later, when the payment has been recognized by the bank, change the payment status to cleared. Enter the clearance date as per bank statement transaction date. This will help you to have an accurate financial report. Update this receipt. And lastly, download the PDF version of the receipt and send to your customer. Once all the payment and delivery has been completed, you then have to close the sales order. Click on the order items from the knockoff list. Now we are back to the sales order. As you can see, we made progress towards raising invoice. As for this tutorial, we will be skipping the delivery order. So on the top right, change the status to complete. That's it. This is how you perform a basic sale order and invoicing process. Although this lesson does not include quotation, delivery order, change order, progressive payment. You can find out more from Cloudby training.